Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the ins and outs of making Facebook Reels that catch eyes and go viral. With everyone craving short-form content, picking up this skill is super important if you are trying to boost your online reputation. Alright, let's dive in. 1. Understanding your audience. Discover how to identify your target audience and tailor your content to their preferences. We'll cover tools and techniques for audience research to ensure your Reels resonate with viewers. 2. Choosing the right topic. We'll discuss how to select trending topics and themes that align with your niche. Learn how to use Facebook's Explore page and other resources to find inspiration. 3. Crafting engaging content. Get tips on how to create captivating visuals and storytelling techniques that hold viewers' attention. We'll share the best practices for shooting high-quality videos and using creative editing tools. 4. Utilizing music and effects. Music can make or break a reel. We'll guide you on selecting the right soundtracks and effects that enhance your message and increase shareability. 5. Effective hashtags and captions. Learn the importance of hashtags and how to write engaging captions that encourage interaction. We'll share strategies to improve discoverability and reach a broader audience. 7. Promoting your Reels. Once your Reel is live, discover how to promote it effectively across Facebook and other platforms. We'll cover techniques for driving traffic and increasing shares. 8. Analyzing performance. Finally, we'll show you how to analyze the performance of your Reels using Facebook Insights. Understanding metrics will help you refine your strategy for future content. Join us as we break down each step with real-life examples and actionable tips to help you create Facebook Reels that not only entertain but also go viral. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on social media growth and engagement strategies.